So if you want to soak your clothes in your LG front load washing machine, well, there are a few things that you need to do and also you need to take in mind. Now, first things first is you want to know if your LG front load washing machine actually supports soak or the soaking feature. Now, you may need to check your manual here or check the labels or the settings that you could see in your nub here and see if soak is available. Now, in some cases, it may be, you can basically add this as a pre-wash feature or something like that. So look for something similar to that. But once you do identify that your LG front load washing machine supports soak, well, there are a few things that you need to do. So first is you want to load your laundry here. Obviously, you want to place the clothes you want to soak inside the drum, making sure you're not to overload the washer. So this allows the water and detergent to circulate properly. And also, use the detergent drawer to add the right amount of detergent. So if you're soaking heavily soiled clothes here, add a bit more than usual or use a detergent with pre-soak features. Now, on most LG front load models, you'll find a button or setting labeled as soak or pre-wash. Now, choosing this adds extra time at the beginning of the wash cycle, letting clothes sit in water and detergent before the actual wash part starts. Now, from then on, you want to pick the wash cycle that best matches your laundry type. So, for example, cotton, mixed fabric, or heavy duty here, the soak function will be added to the cycle automatically. Then you want to press the start and let the washer run here. The machine will fill with water here, let the clothes soak for the set time here, and then continue into the wash as normal. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.